location of Pepra. And Somaliland, as a country, has become independent on 26 June 1960, but unfortunately, it has chosen to give up its sovereignty to find Greater Somalia and join it with Somalia, who got its independence 5 days later, on 1st July 1960. And again, Somaliland has regained or reclaimed its independence on 18 May 1991. But until 1991, it has not been recognized officially by most of the countries, but all the countries in the world have been dealing with Somaliland as a separate entity. Somaliland is a country, is a democratic nation,